Happy New Year! Miss Nicole here for another virtual story time. I'm over by our Cuban Palms, and this week we're going to read Dinosaur Pet. And you might be thinking, what does this have to do with New Year's? Well, Dinosaur Pet is a book about this little boy's pet dinosaur, and he talks about how it grows and changes month to month. So since it's a new year, I thought we would start it off right by thinking about all the months of the year. So let's get started. I love my dinosaur pet. Yeah, sweet dinosaur pet. I love my dinosaur pet each and every day of the year. January, that's this month. He's breaking out of his shell. February, his body is starting to swell. March, at least 8 times a day, he's got to be fed. April, when he sleeps with me, he crushes the bed. Yeah, how big can he get? I love my little dinosaur pet. Every day of the year. Every day of the year. So after April, we have May. May, maybe if the roof was twice as tall. June, he wouldn't bump it when he's roaming the hall. He's getting a little too big for this house, huh? Are dinosaurs good pets? Probably not. July, like the fireworks, he touches the sky. What are some other times of year that we might see fireworks? How about New Year's? August, the cost of groceries is bleeding us dry because he eats so much. Yeah, how big can he get? I love my little dinosaur pet. Every day of the year. Every day of the year. Yeah, how big can he get? I love my little dinosaur pet. Every day of the year. Every day of the year. September, just the tail alone is 30 feet long. October, when we trick or treat, he goes as King Kong. So it looks like they're trick-or-treating in October. We have here a princess, a tiger, an astronaut, and dinosaur as King Kong. November, 50 turkeys weren't nearly enough. Yeah, how big can he get? I love my little dinosaur pet. December, come the new year, things are gonna get rough. Every day of the year. Every day of the year. I love my dinosaur pet. Yeah, sweet dinosaur pet. I love my dinosaur pet. Yeah, sweet dinosaur pet. I love my dinosaur pet. Yeah, sweet dinosaur pet. I love my dinosaur pet. And that's the end. So we went through all the months of the year, starting with January to February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So for our craft today, we're going to make our own New Year's noisemaker. So when it gets to midnight on New Year's Eve and you want to celebrate, you can have this to make lots of noise. Woo! Happy 2021. So to make this, it looks a little complicated, but it's pretty simple. You can find the tutorial on our Google Classroom by registering for free at keywest.garden/education. And what you'll need is a toilet paper roll, some aluminum foil, and then to decorate you can use construction paper, markers, crowns, paint, or anything you'd like. And then you're also going to need something to put inside to make the noise. I used beads, but you could also use rice, small little pebbles, or anything else you can find. So what I did is I covered one end with aluminum foil. I stuck the beads inside. I covered the other end with aluminum foil. I wrapped it in construction paper with different colors. And then I wrote with marker, Happy New Year, and I put 2021 on the side. Happy New Year! For our activity today, which can also be found on our Google Classroom, it's called iSpy 2021. So what you're going to do is play iSpy. At the bottom, it tells you what to look for. So let's do an example together. Let's look for 4 fireworks. I see 1 here, 2, 3, 4. So you can do that and find the rest of the things here too. And again, it's on our Google Classroom and can be printed out. I hope you all have a happy new year, and thanks for joining me for another virtual story time. See you next week.